Today, we're going to take this plain board. Hopefully we can make something someone will be proud of. The story of Mark and Francis. So the other day on my last video, I asked you a question. Do you have a story to tell? Well, today I'm building this sign for someone else. It says, Mark, Hearts Francis. Pretty simple. Probably has a lot of meaning. Now, if I'm being honest, I don't know their story. I don't know how they met. I don't know who said, I love you first. I don't know what they've celebrated or what they've had to overcome together. But someone does. Someone cared enough about Mark and Francis to say, I don't want to just buy them another gift. I want to give them something made by hand. Think about that for a minute. Out of all the things they could have chosen, they chose something made from a simple piece of wood. As I guide this router around each letter, I'm not just carving a name or a heart. I'm carving something that'll become part of their home. Maybe it'll hang in an entryway where they see it every morning. Maybe it'll remind them of who they are together after a long day. Maybe years from now, it'll still be hanging there, carrying memories that haven't even happened yet. That's what woodworking really is. We don't just build signs. We build pieces that quietly become part of people's lives. Maybe that's the story I was looking for all along. Not every project needs my story. Sometimes my hands get to help tell someone else's story. And to me, I think that's a pretty amazing job to have. that turned out. So, you have any ideas for me to make a sign? Leave them in the comments, and if you enjoyed this, come back, subscribe, see what we do next week. Y'all have a great day.